My workspace has changed a lot over the years, but one thing has remained the same: my monitors. I'm really happy with my monitor setup and have no desire to change it anytime soon. I use a Predator monitor for editing and gaming, and then this 24-inch LED-Backlit Dell monitor for multitasking and media. The display is bright, the image is clear, and it works well for gaming too. And this monitor comes shipped to your door, ready to improve your computing experience as well. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a base plate, the monitor arm, your cables, and then your monitor. To get started, slide the monitor arm into the base plate, then secure the two together by tightening the screw on the bottom. The back of the monitor has slots that can easily snap into the mount. Then you can adjust the positioning of your monitor. It raises and lowers, swivels, and even rotates vertically. The side of the monitor has two USB ports, and the bottom has two more USB ports, a USB 3.0 input, VGA port, display port, and a HDMI port. Now it's time to test it. So I plugged it in and hooked it up to my computer using the provided display cable. I powered it on and was met with a beautiful and crisp picture. The colors are sharp, and I didn't need to adjust anything. But if you needed to, the menu is easy to navigate and adjust. Originally, one of my favorite features was the adjustable monitor mount. My monitors are different brands, but with this monitor mount, I can adjust it to match the height of the other monitor perfectly. This makes going from screen to screen more seamless and looks better. Before this, my old monitor sat really low on the desk, and it would cause me neck pain. But with this monitor, it raises high enough that I don't have to look down at the monitor. Too cool. But I did end up getting a new desk and monitor mounts, but I was easily able to bolt it down to the back of the monitor, then set up my new desk. The monitor has an anti-glare screen and looks good from any angle. The screen is large enough that I could see everything clearly. Now, it's only 60 Hz, but I think the color and picture looks as good as my expensive monitor. The only time I notice a difference between them is when I'm gaming. Although I can uncap the frame rate and hit 300 FPS, 300 FPS on my Predator monitor looks a lot smoother. That being said though, you can play games on this, and it looks pretty good. But I got this for multitasking and for media, and in my opinion, this is a perfect secondary monitor. So if you're looking for a nice secondary monitor that looks great and will get the job done, this monitor might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go get some work done and watch some TV. See ya.